Hi, my name's Barney Rehfisch. As the IT Operations Manager for Nandos Australia New Zealand, I have the pleasure of helping our restaurants deliver amazing customer experiences through our people and technology. Nandos is a purpose-led brand, and our global purpose is around changing lives together. At its core, that means that we want to change the world around us and the lives of those in it. And that includes our staff, who we call Nandockers. And when they love what they do, that flows through to the customer experience. Before partnering with TOPdesk, we were using a wide variety of tools to help us to manage our incidents, which meant that we didn't always have a single view of the customer's request. From a Nandocker's perspective, if their case had been passed between agents, that meant they had to spend time re-explaining the problem to the IT team, or from our perspective, we were spending too much time trying to understand the problem instead of getting it solved. And that can be a real challenge when you've got a restaurant full of customers. With TOPdesk, we've consolidated communications within the tool, and this provides us with transparency and a common understanding of the status of our incidents. TOPdesk has changed the way which we approach IT solutions, both here at Central Support as well as in restaurants, because it allows us to focus more on people. Our self-service portal helps our staff to run restaurants brilliantly, and our knowledge management system unlocks standard solutions for everyone to reduce the dependency on the IT team to fix or address standard sort of questions or problems. For our area managers, they can quickly and easily see the status of any technology challenges facing their restaurants. And in general, this transparency has improved the level of confidence across the IT team and for all of our Nandockers. Going forwards, we're continuing to build out our change capabilities to reduce risk and to continually improve our ability to meet service expectations and commitments. Our goal is to help run restaurants brilliantly and to deliver amazing customer experiences every day.